In this video, we will demonstrate how to write the equation for a parabola given its graph, which is the topic of Quiz 4. You have a few options. You could use the root form, you could use the general form, but the easiest form to use is the standard form. The standard form identifies the vertex HK and a stretch factor of A. Given our graph, the first thing we need to do is identify the vertex, which is at -2, 3. The vertex at -2, 3 give us the values of h and k, and so we can write most of our answer. Our answer is y equals, all parabolas begin y equals, there will be an x squared, all parabolas have an x squared. We shift the parabola, h is -2, so this becomes a +2. We have an x plus 2, and the value of k is 3. This is a parabola that's been shifted 2 to the left and 3 up. The last thing that remains is to find the stretch factor. We can find the stretch factor in one of two ways. One is to analyze the graph. We begin at the vertex at -2, and we move to the right to 2. That's a total distance of 4 to the right. Since we moved 4 to the right, we expect a parabola to go 4 squared. We expect a parabola to go 16 up. So I'm going to expect the parabola to be up 16. But it's not. It's down instead of up, which informs us the a value is negative. And is it the proper distance? We started at 3, we went down to -5, that's a distance of down 8. We didn't go down 16, we went down 8, which is half as far as we usually would. So our stretch factor is 1/2. Because we're down, -1/2 is the value for A. We can write the -1/2 for the value of A in here. But let's do it a second way. Second approach to this is that our second dot is an example of an xy coordinate that fits in the equation. Y is -5, x is 2, minus h is +2 squared plus 3. We took our partial answer with the a, we substituted 2 for x, -5 for y, and now we solve this equation. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 squared is 16. Bring the 3 to the left-hand side, and divide by 16. Our a value, once again, is -8/16, or -1/2. We insert that value in for a into our answer, and here's our final answer. Y equals -1/2 x plus 2 squared plus 3.